This thorny climber appearing on the screen is Shatavari, botanical name Asparagus racemosus, belonging to Liliaceae family. It is also known as Shatamul, which means one with 100 roots. This is the fresh juice extracted from its tuberous roots. Doesn't it appear like milk? So this is another example of medicinal plant giving clear clue about its medicinal use. Shatavari is widely prescribed as a galactagogue, that is a drug which increases production of milk. Let us find the reference, identification and cultivation, pharmacodynamics and indications of Shatavari. So coming to the reference, Shatavari is mentioned in almost all Ayurvedic texts. According to the 16th century Sanskrit text Bhavaprakash Nighantu, Shatavari Guruhu Shita Tikta Swadvi Rasayani Medhagni Pushtida Snigdha Netriya Kulma Atisarajit Shukrastanyakari Balya Vata Pittasra Shothajit. Acharya Charaka mentioned it under Balya, that is strength promoting, Bayah Sthapan, that is anti-aging, and Madhur Skandha, sweet group of drugs. Maharshi Sushruta mentioned it under Vidari Gandhadi and Pitta Prashaman groups of drugs. Next, coming to its identification and cultivation. It is very easily identifiable. People usually keep it as an ornamental plant in their gardens. It is a thorny climber growing up to 4 meters long. It has needle-like leaves and tuberous roots, which is the bud used. It bears white flowers during rainy season, and during autumn it fruits, producing blackish purple globular berries. If you are thinking of cultivating Shatavari, it is very good idea. 1 kg of Shatavari costs about Rs 500, and each plant yields about 2 kg tubers 2 years after planting. It grows well in rocky soil or gravel mixed soil. It can be planted by sowing its seeds and avoided by grazing animals. Coming to the pharmacodynamics of the drug. The mechanism of action of a drug in Ayurveda is explained in a different way than that in modern science. While modern science explains that some drugs act by their simple physical or chemical property and most drugs by interacting with functional target molecules, Ayurveda explains drug action in terms of Ras, Gun, Virya, Vipak and Prabhav. The most important actions of Shatavari are Stanya Janan, galactagogue, that is, it enhances milk production. Shukra Janan, it increases semen production. Balya, it increases strength. These actions are due to its Madhur Tiktaras, Guru Snigdha Gun, Shita Virya and Madhur Vipak. Its dosha karma is Vat Pitta Shaman. Now let us see the actions on various systems. Abhyantar Nadi Sansthan, it is Medhya, that is intellect promoting. Pachan Sansthan or GIT, it is Grahi, that is it solidifies stool. Raktavaha Sansthan or cardiovascular system, it is Hridya, that is good for heart. It is also Raktavahar Shamak, that is antihypertensive. Mutravaha Sansthan or excretory system, it is Mutrala, that is diuretic. It is mostly used for its action on reproductive system like galactagogue, semen production promoter. It is also good for eyes. Based on the actions explained, it can be used in lactating mothers with inadequate production of breast milk, oligospermia, general debility, low memory power, diarrhea and disorders due to increased Vata and Pitta. Now, let us find how to consume Shatavari. You can extract the fresh juice out of the tuberous roots and take it in the dose of 10 to 20 ml, or you can make powder of it and take it in the dose of 3 to 6 mg. So, this was a brief description about Shatavari. Try to plant this amazing ornamental and medicinal plant in your house. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and for more informative videos, click the subscribe button. Sarve Niramaya Santu.